What up everyone, and welcome back to the MN78 Jeep XJ. It's been quite a long time since the last time that I ride this rig, okay? Today I want to compare it with the MN128 scale-wise. They aren't so different. I think the body-wise they look nice together. The main difference in these rigs, despite the chassis and all that, is the wheel size, okay? This MN78 has wheels and tires, shocks, and a 370 motor upgrade, okay? The 370 motor that I'm using here is the same that we can find on WPLs. Electronics are stock electronics, okay? Stock board, stock lighting, stock steering servo, everything stock besides this shaft. This probably is going to be the last video that I'm going to do with both trucks with these setups, okay? I have many plans on upgrading them, but first I want to see how this rig performs against this one, okay? Value-wise, the MN128 is about 90 euros. This one is about 80 euros, okay? Probably a little bit less. The tires are 62 millimeters. The wheels are 1 inch. I reckon that they look a little bit small, but these wheel wells are too narrow. But I will get a way of making it work with bigger wheels, okay? 1.3 inches is the best size for this body size. So now let's put a rock or two on the table and see if this is any good as is, okay? And then we're going to hit the trail to do a simple comparison with both rigs. Let's go. So let's try this out. This is in low range or low speed. These electronics are quite noisy. Okay. Awesome. Really awesome performance. Now let's try the MN128. Probably this is going to be quite easy for this rig. Okay. Not as smooth, I must say. Okay. But very well done. MN28 first. This is quite slippery today. This is in low rate. No, the toughest part, okay. Okay. Let's try now a easier line, okay. This was quite a rollover. This side, okay. The MN78 is all the way up there. Okay, first obstacle. Okay, these tires are quite small but very grippy, and they're quite soft. Okay, now let's try the same line as the MN128. I don't know what is going on with the front headlights. Okay, very well. So this line, probably impossible as well. Too steep, no grip. Let's try to give it some bends. Okay, very well. No problem. The left line. More to the left line, okay. Too steep, but closer than the MN128, okay. Check the slip wheel. I really like the look of this MN78. This rig looks awesome. Okay. Okay. Nicely done. So not so slippery today. This is fully wet. No grip. Lacking of power to make this one. Maybe if I skip this rock here on this side, I will be able almost. Okay, very well. It was hard, but he made it. Okay. Nicely done. Okay. So the body balance on this rig doesn't allow it to make it steeper lines, okay? Okay, not so pretty. Now let's try this uphill. The main thing that is missing on this rig is power, okay? Wheel speed. Okay, this is very slippery, but these tires are awesome. Now we're going to try to climb this, and then we're going to come down to the other side. Okay, this is the same obstacle as the MN78. MN78 made it quite slowly and easily. I have to give it some throttle on this one. Okay. Now let's try this downhill. It's quite sketchy. No issues. A little bit more jumpy, this electronics, I don't know why. So guys, and if you're seeing the video till this point and you're not subscribed, please do so. It helps a lot the channel to grow. And tell me, what do you think about this comparison, about these rigs? If they look good together? Any doubts or questions, please let me know. And it's all for today. See you next time, guys. Bye!